Welcome to 14 Rockview, an enormous townhouse in the heart of Jamaica Plain. Newer construction with all the modern conveniences and all the contemporary feels. Join us at an open house, book a private appointment, don't miss it. This first floor is bright, spacious, airy, and offers a bird's eye view of the beautiful wraparound patio and garden boxes. There is a room for everyone in this townhouse. It has meticulously designed bathrooms and gorgeous windows absolutely everywhere. This beautiful townhouse has total privacy and a complete single-family feel. Huge wraparound patio with beautiful low-maintenance garden. This is the one. Don't miss it.